Hi friends, welcome to Victoria Makes. Today I'm going to show you the transformation of my kitchen from blue, tired and very shabby and peeling off, the cupboard doors were actually peeling off, to it being burnt down and the actual coverings coming away magically, and then priming it and then painting it and redesigning it, and I'm so very pleased with the finished product. And I'd like to take you on this journey to hopefully inspire you to take on a small or a large project like a kitchen, which can save you thousands of pounds and is achievable. So come with me on this video journey. I hope you'll learn a few things, I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching. And please like the subscribe button and leave any comments in the comments box. But first and foremost, thanks for being here. So I hope you enjoy it and I'll let you see the video. So I've inherited this kitchen and yes, it's nice, but all the paint's coming off because it's been painted. So I need to get all this top coat off. Now I can either paint it, but it's obviously had 2 coats of paint already, or I can have a go at taking off the outer layer. So watch what happens when I use a heat gun. We're getting there, guys. Still a lot more to go. About halfway now. And It's all gone down to the chipboard. So you don't actually damage the actual design on the chipboard, it just takes it right back to the base. Obviously I've still got a lot of blue that'll have to be painted, and I've got this one as well to do, but I'm so pleased with it, guys. So very pleased. You know, nice kitchens are £15,000 for this size. I haven't got that to expend on this house at the present time, so I'm really kind of excited and happy with the results so far. And it's really lovely, and I'd probably have them a natural colour. However, when you get round to this side, this, very good, and then this one, we've got writing on this one. So it's going to have to be a paint job, I'm afraid. But that's okay. I'm quite happy because the reason for stripping it is because this had a plastic coating on which was cracked in several places, so I had to get it off because it just looked a disgrace. And so what I'm going to do then is I've got now back down to the base, and I can then actually put a paint finish on it so it looks all nice and neat once more. So I'll show you next time when I've done something else. But it's fascinating and simple, and I really did not know, and I don't think most people know, that this is a possibility. So I hope you find this very, very useful information. The product I'm using is this, when you can have a second top coat after 4 hours. Taken off the drawers and the drawer knobs on the front, and this is the first coat of primer. So I've come back today and all the primer has dried nicely on the drawers. Still got quite a bit of cupboards to do. It's all nice and it feels good. And then I'm going to use this product, which is a Johnson's paint. For wood and metal satin, quick dry in a seashell colour, like a sandy beige, and I'm just going to use a little roller for this job. Make all the thickness even, and with the roller I'm going to just lightly brush it over the surface on the top, backwards and forwards, and this will hopefully make sure that it's all the same thickness. And I'll probably do maybe 2 coats, if not 3, on all the cupboards, so to make sure that all the top is the same thickness. Goes on really smooth with the roller. I do really like the ease of this one. Just watch your edges, because when you go on your edges sometimes it goes along the top. You just come over on the edge as well with your roller afterwards. Make it nice and smooth. So we'll leave that, go around on all of them, leave them to dry, good 1 to 2 hours, and then it does say 4 hours for a next coat, so it'll give me a chance to get through the whole quantity of units that I've got, which is I think 16 doors and drawers. Okay guys, I'll come back with another update. So this has come around lovely, and this is the first coat of the top coat now, after having 2 coats of primer. So I'm really pleased now with how the paint has adhered to the units. Really nice. What I've done also, guys, is to label the back of the kitchen cupboards and make a plan so that you know where all the doors fit. Alright, so you number on the back and write a plan. I'll show you my plan, what I've got. So this is the plan what I've done. So I've started at one end of the kitchen and I've numbered all the units, doors, made myself a plan, and then on the corresponding rear of the cupboard doors I've numbered them so that when we come to put them all back we know exactly where they go. And it's a simple, probably obvious solution, but it works because you can't always tell exactly which doors it is which. Put a couple on now, and this is what it's kind of looking like so far. And I'm going to buy some pine knobs and put them on, and I'll show you when it's all done.